Dear students, now we are back to our fourth session of history. Let us go to page number 5th. Page number 5th, topic Christianity in the Roman Empire. First, we know last session I have discussed that Jesus was crucified, and that day is remembered as Good Friday. So, after the death of Jesus, his teachings were spread by his follower Paul. Okay, follower, I mean one who is following the ideas of particular persons is known as follower. His name was Paul. He spread his ideas in Rome. And Jesus' teachings become the basis of a new religion. Whatever he taught, first of all, you have to think that Jesus didn't write anything. And he taught whatever written by his disciples, I mean his students, those who were staying with him, and they heard whatever Jesus taught, and they wrote. And these teachings become the basis of new religion. And now Paul popularized the idea. The follower Paul popularized the idea of Jesus as Christ, who had been specially sent by God to alone atone for the sins of humanity. And now let us see Christ, anointed one, sent by God. This idea was published by or popularized by Paul. This gave the new religion its name Christianity. And it appealed to the people, especially the poor and downtrodden in the Roman society, because it involved the worship of only one God and promised salvation to all. And Christianity, what they are doing, what they are promoting to only one God, and that they are promised salvation to all, not only one, to all the people. They are promising salvation at the end. In due course, the Christian church developed as an institution. It functioned through places of worship for Christians called churches. It undertook services like health care, then burial and distribution of alms to the weak and the poor. This was unlike any other religion's institution of those times. So now let us see, first, at the time of Jesus Christ, there was no religion like Christianity, and he taught and he helped the people, I mean poor peoples. After the death of Jesus, Paul, I mean the disciple or a follower of Jesus, he spread the idea of Jesus as Christ. Then slowly what had happened, it formed or these ideas become formed as a religion. And after that, what had happened? Church formed. That church helped the poor people and look after the health care and burial and distribution, or helping the weak and the poor people. That was their main aim at the beginning. This was unlike any other religion institution of those times. So it was a unique religion by that time. So now let us see how the Christianity become as official religion of Rome. The Roman emperors, emperors means kings, tolerated Christianity as yet another of many religions that existed in their empire. So Roman Empire, what they do? They accepted Christianity as a official religion. But then also, early times, ancient times, there were times when Christians were given cruel and unjust treatment. Especially, so first you see in your life itself, who is your best friend? That best friend will be the one who you are not liking early times or first time. And now you are in good friendship. So Christianity also have such a time, what time? When Christians were given cruel and unjust treatment, especially as Christianity did not permit emperor worship. Even they were not allowed to do their worship. And this happened, for example, during the reigns of Marcus Aurelius and Diocletian. These two kings, they persecuted the Christians very badly. What they do? And they gave Christian people as a food for wild animal and killed them badly, and these all the things. Christianity gained political support when the Roman Emperor Constantine I, the early kings all persecuted, but from the Constantine I, Emperor King Constantine I, he accepted the Christianity. That when was it? AD 313. Constantine attributed his political success to his new religion, and he also foresaw that Christianity would spiritually unite the Roman Empire. And not only that, he found that this Christianity may spiritually unite the people, and so he accepted the Christianity as a official religion. By end of 4th century, Christianity became the official religion of Rome.